Yeah, just a update. uh, I just desolder this one and solder a new one. Is not the same. This one was a BSP75N. That's a really lovely component. It's like a type of MOSFET, but with some other circuitry inside. It's born to switch on and off and commanded by a low power microcontroller. I just use an NDT 014, the one that I had, but for this purpose, just to command like the beep for 2 times when you turn it off and 1 time when you turn it on. Yeah, it works good. So another one is fixed thanks to the old one that I could read the serial number.